Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast the easy way. Whisk 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 tsp cinnamon, and a pinch of salt into a smooth custard. Then dip slices briefly and cook on a greased pan over medium heat. Keep it simple by using day-old bread, monitor the heat to avoid burning, and serve warm with syrup or fresh fruit for a cozy breakfast everyone will enjoy. I like to keep ingredients minimal so mornings are easy and relaxed. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl, add 1 cup milk and 1 tsp cinnamon, then whisk until smooth and fragrant. Slice your chosen bread about 3, 5 cm thick, or use day-old slices for better soak. Lay out toppings like berries, syrup, and a dusting of powdered sugar so plating is fast and inviting for family or guests. Small technique changes make a big difference in texture and taste. Dip each slice just long enough to coat but not saturate, 1 to 2 seconds per side for typical bread. Heat a non-stick pan to medium so you get golden color without burning, and use butter or oil for a crisp edge. Cook a test slice first, adjust heat as needed, then finish the batch and serve immediately for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.